In this video, we will show you how to pay with PayPal on AllChinaBuy. If you guys want to get started with AllChinaBuy, you can use the link down in the description. First, open Google Chrome on your device and search for AllChinaBuy. Click on the first link to access the website. In the search bar, type the product you're looking for, such as book. Browse the results and select the product you want to purchase. Now, click on Read and Accept if prompted. Next, choose the color and quantity of the product. Then click on Buy Now. Select your destination country and click on Confirm. After that, click on Submit to proceed to the payment page. Here, select PayPal as your payment method. Follow the instruction to log into your PayPal account and complete the transaction. Once done, your order will be confirmed. So, that's how to pay with PayPal on AllChinaBuy. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with AllChinaBuy. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.